Ladies and gentlemen, this video is in response to the story that I've been hearing as from yesterday, that there is this pastor in Venda at Ha Lambani who's praying for people's bank cards, and then after she prays for you, then there will be money deposited into your account. Then I thought, wow, then no one will ever be poor again, because we can just all go to her and then she will pray for us, and then we'll all become rich and we don't have to work again. When the money is finished, we'll just go back to her, she'll pray for us again, and we will have more money. But if we look at this thing from a biblical point of view, uh, reading from Genesis chapter 3 verse 19, and this is God saying this now. This is God himself saying this. He's saying, by the sweat of your brow you will eat your food until you return to the ground. And then in Venda it says, meaning everyone will have to sweat for whatever they want on this earth. And nowadays I kind of don't understand this mentality, this manna mentality, that Christians want everything for free. The pastor must pray for you, then all of a sudden the money will be deposited into your account. And I think there's just more to, if it's true that she can pray for you and you will get money into your account, and this is just my personal opinion, I think there's just more to this thing than the power of God, because the God that I know is saying we're gonna have to work for whatever we want here on earth. We're gonna have to sweat first, and we're gonna have to plant something. We're gonna have to plant the seed, before we harvest or before we reap anything. And this is just common sense. I mean, looking at it from an economical point of view again, I mean, if everybody goes to this pastor and she prays for everyone and we all have money in the bank account, I mean, this is going to cripple the economy. I mean, no one will have to work. I don't have to go and work anymore. The petrol attendant doesn't have to go and work, because all of a sudden he has a lot of money in his bank account. I mean, I think it's just common sense. Then who's going to be putting petrol in our cars? Who's going to be baking bread? Who's going to be cleaning our streets? Who's going to be taking care of us when we are sick? Because the doctors too, they won't have to go to work, because all of a sudden they have a lot of money. And ladies and gentlemen, this is just my personal opinion again. Maybe it's true, I don't know, but yeah, I just think, there's so much manna mentality that Christians have nowadays. Everything for free. Uh, yeah, I don't know, but I honestly think the God who said we're gonna have to sweat or we're gonna have to plant something, I don't think he's gonna deposit money into my bank account for doing nothing. If it's true, I believe somewhere, somehow, there will be some repayments that will be unbearable, or there will be some repayments that will be demanded from whoever received this money, or whatever is deposited into your bank account. But okay, again, this is just my personal opinion, and yeah, I don't really buy this thing that God can just deposit money in your account for nothing, for no reason. Okay, cheers.